Hello guys, I am Mack and this is Math with Mack. We are attempting to solve an equation with imaginary numbers. Now we notice that there's an imaginary number in the denominator, and we are not allowed to have imaginary numbers in the denominator, so we're going to have to times the denominator by the conjugate, and the conjugate is used to rationalize the fraction. The conjugate is the exact opposite of the denominator, so it's going to be times 2 plus 6i, and then what we do to the denominator, we got to do to the numerator. So 2 plus 6i, and now we distribute the 3 into 2 plus 6i, and that's 3 times 2, and that's 6. 3 times positive 6i, that's plus 18i, and that's going to be over, let me FOIL here, F-O-I-L, first, outside, inside, last. 2 times 2, that's 4. 2 times 2, that's 4. Then outside, 2 times 6i, that's going to be plus 12i. Then negative 6i times 2, that's going to be minus 12i. And then negative 6i times positive 6i, that's going to be negative 36i squared. And now we have to simplify our terms of the denominator. That's going to be 4 plus 12i minus 12i, those cancel out. It's going to be 4 plus 36i squared. And I has many identities, and one of them is negative 1. I squared is negative 1, and that's one of i's identities. So it's going to be 6 plus 18i over 4 plus 36. I'm going to plug in negative 1 for I squared. This is negative, not positive. Negative 1, so it's going to be 6 plus 18i over 40. Okay, now we realize that everything's divisible by 2. So we're going to take out 2 from the numerator and denominator. So 2 divided by 6, 6 divided by 2, we're going to get 2, and it's going to be 3 plus 9i. And then it's going to be 2 and 20. 2's just cancel out, and now that's the answer. It's going to be 3 plus 9i over 20, but now we got to put it in correct form, a plus bi, and that is 3 over 20 plus 9i over 20, and that is our final answer. It's very simple for solving equations with imaginary numbers. Thank you for watching.